Okay, and here we are again. And check this out, guys. Here's a little Bronco Palomino camper. Goes in the back of the truck. Let me show you. Slides in the back of the pickup. Just picked this up a couple months ago. Got to get a truck for it yet, but that won't be a problem. I'll find a truck. But I'm just showing you guys this. I'm showing you this camper because I bought something to go along with this camper, and that's what this video is going to be about. So I just wanted to show you that before I continued on with the rest of it. So we'll go in here and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so here it is. Sportsman inverter generator. 1000 watt max, 800 running watts. You know, I thought to myself, this would be nice to have if you're at a campground that doesn't have electricity, or if you're out in the middle of the woods or what have you. You got power. You can power your camper up. So that's the basic reason for this. Also, it'd be nice to have around the house in case the power goes out for any period of time. You know, you can run the refrigerator, keep the food from spoiling and whatnot. So, yep, this is it. Now, when this comes, when you buy it from the store, it does not have, let's see, oil. You must add oil. So that's what we're going to do now. Got to take this side off, get to the oil fill, and we'll go from there. So let's get this side off of here. Alright, so they give you this little bag of goodies. You got your 12 volt direct current cables in there in case you need to charge a battery or run something that's 12 volt instead of 110. So that's pretty nice. And then they give you a screwdriver. Look at that. Along with a plug wrench, they give you a screwdriver. So let's get this thing out of the bag and get that side off. Okay, there's what looks like with the side cover off. Right here is where we're going to put the oil in. Right in here, if we can get it loose. And there we go. Takes 7.5 fluid ounces. Got a little dipstick, ain't that cool? So that's where the oil goes. I actually bought, let me see, let's walk over here, look at it. I bought some Castrol. Not the top of the line, but not the worst oil either. I watched a couple videos and some people put, you know, that cheap Walmart oil in here to break it in. I'm thinking, why waste the money? Get some halfway decent oil, break it in, change it, you know, use the same thing. So let's get this thing filled up. Okay, there we go. We got some oil in it. That actually might be a little too much. I may dump a little bit of that out. And probably will. So 7.5 fluid ounces ain't much at all. It's just a small little 4-stroke engine, 40 cc. So let me get this level correct, and then we'll put the side cover back on, put some gas in it, and fire this thing up. Okay, we got the oil level topped off to the correct level. Side cover back on. I'm going to put some fuel in this thing, and we're going to fire it up. Stick around. Okay, got it all fueled up, ready to fire this thing up. Now my buddy Rick Hall has a Honda, It's an older one, but it's real quiet, and I like it. It's kind of what prompted me to buy this one. But anyways, I'm kind of curious to see if it's as quiet as his Honda, or maybe quieter. Who knows? But here we go. I don't have my tripod, so I'm going to set this down, fire it up, start it back up. Well, there it is. I'll tell you what. Honestly, I would say it's about as quiet as Rick's. It's just about as quiet. That's really nice. There we go. It was on economy, as you can see, and I switched it off, and it kicked up a little bit. Let's put it back on economy. I'll tell you, I'm pretty satisfied with it. Let me find something to plug into this thing before I get carbon monoxide poisoning from it running inside the garage. What do we have here? You know what? I see a drill. Let's plug this drill in and see what happens. Just for fun. I'm not going to get too extensive with this because, like I said, it's in the garage and I don't want to get myself all carbon monoxide poisoned, but let's just try something here. Turn it off of economy, or actually turn it on economy. I would say that it works. Okay, well, I'll tell you what. I'm going to shut this thing off. I don't want to get too many gas fumes in the garage here, but there you have it. There you have a little Sportsman 1000 watt generator. So far, I'm really satisfied, so there's more videos to come. Until next time.